and my intent here would be to try and give you an insight about what is happening, not just in the industry in Kolkata and in hotels in the east of India with Marriott, but also in perspective with how do we see the future, as you spoke about, and what needs to be done, both from an institute's perspective, such as yours, which is a wonderfully strong brand, not just in India today, but I think growing repute across the world with the IIHM banner, and of course for the students as well. It has a plethora of new learnings that one can have. And you touched upon it, whether it's digital or social marketing and all of that. Those are critical aspects of learning that anyone can get in today's day and age. But I personally believe hospitality still lies in the core of hospitality. The basics that one needs to learn is about hospitality on the whole. You can learn all of this. It's going to be of some sort of value add on. But the hotelier of tomorrow, today, or day after, he's going to have to know his basics. He's got to have to know, how to treat a guest. He's got to have to know what to say, when to say. He's got to have to know how to cook, or if he's a chef, cook it well. Be able to create dishes or ingredients being put together in a manner that they make magic well. So let me begin by that. I guess you touched on the fact of how the new world order is going to sort of change things in the days ahead for us. I think, and you touched upon the fact that we need to adapt to that new change, and I'm going to use those two words in a bigger way. I believe that adaptability in the days ahead is going to be one of the keen virtues that each one of us need to carry for us to be able to have success in whatever we do. Hospitality is a people's business. It's a business where you have to interact with customers, with guests, with peers, colleagues, associates, team members of your own. So almost everything that we do has a human contact, and that human contact is an interpersonal skill. I think that interpersonal skill, communication skill, the skill of being able to clearly articulate what you desire out of each individual at work, or what are you experiencing, or what are you sharing with customers, with guests, and how are you doing so? And then doing it to the best of the ability that is possibly makes the individual that much more marketable. And I guess that is one of the things that I would really urge the students of today to look at for tomorrow. And I guess an initiative such as Sahas by the IIHM, Dr. Bose, you personally, is a brilliant initiative. I totally encourage that you continue to develop that. And I do encourage the students to make the most of such an opportunity. I think it's very unique. It doesn't exist in any other platform that I have at least known of. In any space of work, any business, the ability to take risks, the ability to be able to step up and say, listen, we're going to take our chance on this particular guy or this kid or this particular notion of what we think is the right thought behind the next step ahead is brilliant. And if you can fund that and you can support it in some way, either through a corpus that you've kept aside or a seed money, as you spoke of, those are brilliant initiatives. I believe that they will generate new invention, new technology use, new thought processes, and maybe some of them will become what remains industry best practices in years to come. So such ideas only generate the new ideas that come about, and very often in our day-to-day lives we'll end up doing what our standard procedures tell us, what we are taught to do, and we go by the book and we try and follow the rules of the world and take every step on that dotted line. Sometimes it's when you don't have a line and you run all over the place is when you find best results. Since I've been here in Calcutta, and I'm really proud to be able to continuously come and support not just your efforts, but also give a little bit of insight to the students. I do hope it helps, and I do wish that during these difficult times, we all continue to remain resilient, but at the same time, take care of our loved ones, stay safe, and ensure that our health is well looked after. So wish you all the best, and thank you again for having me here.
IIHM
International Institute of Hotel Management.